Good evening to everyone. Please tell me, am I audible to you or not? If am I audible, then I will start my session as we are 33 minutes late already. So we have to start our session fast. So please tell me if I am audible, then I can continue my class. We have 5 live students. So please tell me if I am audible to you or not. Then I will start my session number 09. If anyone is listening to me, please tell me, am I audible? Akshit. Yes, sir. What kind of language you're using? You're using Hindi plus English. Okay. Now we are live and my voice is audible to everyone. So we will start our session. Good evening, class. Myself Gaurav Kumar. I welcome all of you to this platform. That is Acharya IS Academy. This one is our SSC wing. In this class, we do a practice session daily in which we take 10 questions for practice, and we are targeting all the SSC examinations that are going to be held in the year 2025. We have 6 examinations, that is SSC CGL, CHSL, CPU, MTS, GD, and phase 13, in which mathematics is asked. So today is our practice session number 09. So question number first. What is the total number of factors of the number 720 except 1 and the number itself? So we have a question on number of factors. First of all, we have to calculate the number of factors of 720. First of all, we will do the prime factorization of this number. We will do the prime factorization of this number. See, this one is nothing but it is 8 into 9 into 10. It is 8 into 9 into 10. It is 8 into 9 into 10. So 8 is, we can write 2 into 2 into 2. This one is 8. 3 into 3. This one is a 9. 8 9 just 72. Then we have to make a 0, and when we multiply a 2 with 5, we can write a 0. So this one is the prime factorization of 720. What we have, 2 to the power 4, we have 2 to the power 4 into, we have 3 to the power 2 into, what we have, 5 to the power 1. If we want to write down the number of factors, then what will we do? We will add 1 to each power and multiply them. We will write 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. We will multiply it with 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. And we will multiply it with 1 plus 1. We will add 1 in the each power and multiply them. So what will we get? 4 1 5. 5 into 3 into 2. So total number of factors are 30. Total number of factors are 30, but SSC has not given any option that is 30. So there is no chance of silly mistake. We have to, in these 30 factors, we have 1 and we have 720. And we have to accept them. If we have to exclude 720 and 1, so we will exclude minus 2 from it. So what would we have? We have 28 number of factors in which 720 and 1 is excluded. So anyone has given the answer? No one has given the answer. Next. What is the value of the expression cos 2a cos 2b plus sin square a minus b minus sin square a plus b? If you solve this question with basic in your examination, then you will lose plenty of time. And in competitive examinations, we have to save time. First of all, I will do this question with basic, then I will tell you a trick to solve such kind of questions. See, in this question, we have sin square a minus b, sin square a plus b. So we have a formula sin square x minus sin square y is equal to sin x plus y into sin x minus y. This formula is used here. If I use this formula, then what I have? See, I have cos 2a, I have cos 2a, I have cos 2b, I have cos 2b. We have a plus sign in between. We have sin square a minus b. This one is my x, this one is my y. So what we have? Sin x plus y, sine of angle, that is a minus b, a minus b plus a minus b. Again, what we have? Sine of a minus b. We have a minus b, a minus b minus a minus b. So this one is my formula. If I open it, then this one is my formula. So in next step, what we have? We have cos 2a, cos 2a, cos 2b. See, b and b will be cancelled out. What we have? We have a sin 2a. We have sin 2a. Here a and a will be cancelled out. We have sin minus 2b, and sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this plus will convert it into minus, and this one is minus sin 2b, sin twice of b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equals to cos a plus b. So this one is the formula of cos 2a plus b. If anyone is good in basic, then he can solve this question in 30 to 35 seconds. But we will solve this question by another method. So what method we will use? We will use some values of a and b here. See, we know the value of 0 degree, we know the value of 30 degree, we know the value of 45 degree, we know the value of 60 degree, we know the value of 90 degree. In trigonometric functions, we know the values of these five, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. If I put a equal to 0, I have to put the values of a and b in terms of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So I have to put such values that no two options will give me the same answer. No two option will give me the same answer. And this condition should not be formed. That is 1 upon 0 or infinite. If this condition is not formed in this expression and two of the options does not have the same value, then I can tell you the trick to solve how you can put your values. See, if I put 0 degree, then it will, if I put a equal to 0, then cos 0 is 1. I have cos 2b. A equal to 0, I have sin square minus b. I have minus sin square minus b. It means what I have? Minus 2 sin square b. My question will become more complicated. If I put, see, if I put 0, I will not put 30 degree, not I will put 60 degree. Why? I have to leave these value because these values will give me extra root 3, and if root 3 is there, then this will become more complex. So no, neither I will use 0 degree, neither I will use 90 degree. If I use a equal to, if I use a equal to b equal to 0 degree, then here 0 minus 0 sin 0 0. Here what we have? 0 plus 0 sin 0 0. So two options have same values. If I put a equal to b equal to 0, I put a equal to b equal to 90. So what I will put? I will put a is equal to b is equal to 45 degree. A equal to b equal to 45 degree. See, cos 2a, cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So this term will become 0. I have sine square a minus b. If a and b are equal, then a minus b equal to 0. Then sine square 0 0. Then what I have? Minus sine square a plus b. So my expression will become minus sine square a plus b, and I have put the value of a plus b. What? 9 a plus b. A equal to b equal to 45 degrees. So I have sine square 90 degree. All of you know that sine square 90 is equal to 1. So answer of my expression is minus 1. Now I will put a equal to b equal to 0 in my options, and I have to save here. I will get minus 1 as my answer. See, if I took the last option, first option, see, if a equal to b equal to 45, is 90 minus 90 0, sine 0 equal to 0. This one will give me 0. This one will give me, see, here 2a 90 plus 90, and 90 plus 90 is 180. Sine 180 is also 0. So these two options are giving me 0, and my answer is minus 1. If I think about this, then what it is? 2a minus 2b, that is 90 minus 90, that is 0, and cos 0 is 1, but my answer is minus 1. If I put value here, 90 plus 90 180, and you know that cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. So we have both the things, that is basic and trick. So trigonometric question can be done in two ways, either with the basic or with a trick. So question number 3. Two circles of radius 6 centimeter each. They intersect each other such that each passes through the center of the other circle. What is the length of the common chord? In this condition, when two circles passes through the center of each other, then the length of the common chord is always equal to under the root 3 of r. Under the root 3 of r. So r is 6. So my answer will be 6 root 3. My answer will be 6 root 3. Now I will show you. This one is my first circle, and this one is my second circle. These circles are passing through the center of each other. These circles are passing through the center of each other. This one is the center of a circle, and this one is the radius of that circle. This one is the center of second circle, and this one is the radius. And this one is also the radius. The radius is equal. In this one is suppose center x. This one is center y. And this point suppose a, and suppose this point is b. This AB is the length of the common chord. This one is my common chord. So this one is my common chord. I have to write this common chord. So I will tell you property. If at the center of a circle I draw a line that is perpendicular to the chord, then it will bisect it into two parts. This one will be equal to this one. So this one is r, this one is r, this one is r, this one is also r, and this one is also r. So I have a equilateral triangle, and this one is the height of that equilateral triangle. Height of equilateral triangle is equal to under the root 3 by 2 into side, and side is r. So height is equal to root 3 by 2 r. Root 3 by 2 into r. I have to calculate AB. AB is double of this height. If this one is my h, AB is double of this height. So twice of h is equal to AB. AB is the length of the chord is equal to 2. 2 will be cancelled out. Root 3 of r. Root 3 of r. This one is my length of common chord. So length of the common chord of any two circle when they passes through the center of center of each other is equals to root 3 r. So root 3 is there, radius is 6. 6 root 3 centimeter is my answer. So I think 3 to 4% has given the correct answer. Next. This one is the beautiful question asked by SSC. See, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7, and x is greater than 0 and less than 1. Find the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. You have to tell the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. See, the value of x is greater than 0 but less than 1. If so, we can say that x has a fraction value. If x is equal to 1 by 2, if x is equal to 1 by 2, then the reciprocal of x is 1 by x. It means 1 by x is equal to 2. So 1 by 2 ka whole square is equal to 1 by 4, and 2 square is 4. 1 by 4 minus 4, then my answer will always be negative. So this one and this one will be eliminated. I have to calculate x square minus 1 upon x square. So positive value cannot occur. Why? Because x square minus 1 upon x square has an fraction value less than 1. Then its reciprocal should be greater than 1. When I will subtract a value that is greater than this number, then I have a negative number. So my answer is negative. So either this one or this one can be my answer. So what I have given, the x square, this one is a conceptual question, is equal to 7. See, if I add plus to both the sides, if I add plus 2 here and plus 2 here, then what I have, this one is x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to, this one is 3 square. What I have two values of x plus 1 upon x. This one is 9. So I have x plus 1 upon x is equal to plus minus 3, because minus 3 whole square is also 9 and 3 whole square is also 9. So this one is my value. See, but the value of x is given. X has a positive value. So positive plus positive is positive. So I cannot take minus 3 as my value. So x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3. If x, in my last session I have already told you, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to m, then x minus 1 upon x is equal to plus minus. This one is a conceptual question. See, I will tell you, 90% of the student has given its answer wrong. Why? Then it is equal to m square minus 4. This one is a conceptual question. And 90% of the student has given the answer of this question wrong. Why? We'll see here. Plus minus under the root m square minus 4. So if I have to this one is my x plus 1 upon x. X square minus 1 upon x square is equal to, this one is what? This one is x plus, see, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. I have already calculated x plus 1 upon x. It is 3. So we have 3 here and we have 3 here. So these two cannot be my answer. These two cannot be answer, and I have eliminated this one. So this one is my answer. But majority of the student has done this question wrong. Why? See, if you calculate x minus 1 upon x, then it would be equal to plus minus under the root of 3 square 9, 9 minus 4. Then it is equal to plus minus root 5. So if you take positive value, then your answer is 3 root 5. If you take positive value, then your answer is 3 root 5. So 90% student has ticked 3 root 5 as its answer. But they are wrong. They are absolutely wrong. Why they were wrong? Because x has a fraction value. X has a fraction value less than 1. Suppose x is equal to 2. 1 by 2. Suppose x is equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 upon x. 1 upon x will be 2. When you will subtract 1 by 2 minus 2, then what you have? Minus 3 by 2. It means x minus 1 upon x will always be in negative. So what I will write? I will write minus root 5 as my answer of x minus 1 upon x. X minus 1 upon x is equal to minus root 5, and x plus 1 upon x is already given. When I will multiply them, then I have minus root 3 5. Minus 3 root 5 as my answer. So this one was the conceptual question asked by SSC. X plus 1 upon x is 3 and this one is minus root 5. Next. A, B and C can finish a work in 15 days working alternately in the same order. Same order means A will work on the first day, B will work on the second day, C will work on the third day. The efficiency of A. We have given efficiency of A, efficiency of B and efficiency of C. Efficiency of A is same as that of B. It means both have same efficiency. And the efficiency of C is equal to that of A. It means if A has efficiency 1, then C also has efficiency 1. Efficiency of all the person is A. Efficiency of all the person is A. 1. Efficiency of all the persons is 1, 1 and 1. So, if they work alternately in the same order A and B, in how many days will the work be finished? If they work alternately in the order C, A and B, the answer will be 15. See, if first day A will work, second day this one will work, third day this one will work. In 3 days, we will do 3 work. A, B and C can finish a work in 15 days. So if I multiply here 5, then here 5. So what we can do? If A plus B plus C work on alternate days starting with A, so in 15 days, 15 work can be completed. 15 work can be completed when A will start. When A will start the work. When C will start the work, then B, A, then B, then again in 3 days they will do 3 work. First day this man will work, second day this man will work, third day this man will work. In 3 days 3 work will be finished. If I multiply 5 here, and because efficiency is same, then in 15 days, they will do 15 work. It means, and the total work is 15, so time taken by them is also 15. A boy cover a certain distance between his house and his school on a cycle, riding on an average speed of 15 km per hour. He is late by 10 minutes. However, with an average speed of 20 km per hour, he reaches the school 5 minutes earlier. Find the distance between his house and his home. In this question, he asked 3 things. But in this question, he has asked only one thing. But on this concept, 3 questions can be asked. First one, the distance between the journey, the distance between his home and house. Sorry, the distance between his house and school. Second one is find the correct time of the journey. Find the original speed of the journey. Original speed is that speed on which speed he will not be late. So what we have, if he travel with a speed of, the speed is given, if he travel with a speed of 15 km per hour, 15 km per hour. So I will assume that the correct time is 9 a.m. Then he is late by 10 minutes. It means he will reach at 9:10 a.m. What I assume that 9 a.m. is the correct time. If he travel with a speed of 20 km per hour, 20 km per hour, then he will reach 5 minutes early. 5 minutes early means he will reach at 8:55 a.m. So this one is my speed. I will write the ratio of the speed. The ratio of speed is equal to 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. This one is the ratio of speed. The distance is same whether he travel with this speed or whether he travel with this speed. The distance is same. If distance is same, then the ratio of time is a reciprocal of speed. It means if in this speed he will take 4 time, then here he will take 3 time. So we have a gap, we have a difference of 1 point in the time, and this 1 point is equal to this difference, and this difference is 15 minute. 15 minute. This difference is 15 minute. So we'll multiply this 15 in these numbers and see will multiply. Komal Daksh has given the correct answer. You will multiply on such number in which will make a complete hour or 60 minutes. See, the value of 4 point here, the value of 4 point is equal to 60 minute, and 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. It means at a speed of 15 kilometer per hour, at the speed of 15 kilometer per hour, he traveled for 1 hour. If you are traveling for a 1 hour and your speed is 15 kilometer per hour, then you will travel a distance of 15 kilometer. This one is my distance. This one is my distance. So distance is equal to, I will calculate all the three things for you. Distance is equal to 15 kilometer. Then he asked for correct time, CT. Correct time. See, here what we have 60 minutes. This time is 60 minutes, but in this he is 10 minutes late. So correct time would be 50 minutes. 50 minutes is my correct time. Why? If you are going somewhere and you are taking 1 hour and you are 10 minutes late, it means the correct time is 50 minutes. If you want to calculate the original speed at which he will not be late, then how you will calculate? 15 kilometer is the distance, this one is the distance, and this one is the correct time, this one is minute. You will divide here by 6. So 10 will be cancelled out, 5 3, so 18 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour is the original speed or the actual speed. At this speed he will not be late. So I have calculated all the three things for you. He can ask the distance between the journey, he can ask you the correct time, and he can ask the original speed. Man can row a distance of 8 kilometer downstream in a certain time and can row 6 kilometer per stream in the same time. See, upstream, downstream speed is a plus b, and upstream speed is a minus b. So what we have given? We have given the ratio of speed. Not speed, we have given the ratio of distance. We have given a distance. How? A man can row a distance of 8 kilometer. Downstream is 8 kilometer and upstream is 6 kilometer. This one is my distance. Kilometer and kilometer. This one is my distance. See, speed is equal to distance upon time. If time is same, then the ratio of speed and distance is same. The ratio of speed and distance is same. So the ratio of speed is same as of distance. If this one is 4, then this one is 3. What we have given? If I take a variable m here, I will take a variable m here. So if he rows 24 kilometer upstream, 24 kilometer upstream, 24 upon upstream speed is thrice of m. This one is my time. 24 kilometer downstream, it means 4 times of m. Then he will take 4 plus 1, 4 1 ja 4 3, 7 by 4 hours. 7 by 4 hours. So if you will solve it, see, this one will be equal to, if I take 1 by m common, so 3 8 ja plus 4 6 ja is equal to 7 upon 4. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 56, 56 by 7 is equal to 8. So I have the value of m here. M is equal to 8. The constant is 8 here. So what is a plus b? A plus b is 4. It means this speed is 32 km per hour. This speed is 24 km per hour. If you want to calculate b, see, a plus b is 32. A plus b is 32. And a minus b is equal to 24. So I have told you that how you can solve these equations if a plus b and a minus b is given. The value of a is equal to, you will add them and divide them by 2. So 32 plus 24 is 56 by 2 is 28. And if you want to calculate b, you will subtract them and divide them by 2. So 4 km per hour. So 4 km per hour is the speed of stream, that is b. This one is the complete concept of this question. Next, a spend 68% of his monthly income. If a's income is increased by 25% and his monthly saving increases by 15%, then the percentage increase in his monthly expenditure will be. We have income of a person. Income, we know that income minus expenditure is equal to saving. Expenditure is equal to saving. Income minus expenditure is equal to saving. So A spend 68% of his income. If A's income is 100, then he spent 68%. It means 68. So he is saving 32. He is saving 32. If A's income increases by 25% and his monthly saving increases by 15%, then the percentage increase in his monthly expenditure will be. See, his income is increasing, expenditure is also increasing, and saving is also increasing. So what we have, plus 15% is the increment in his saving, plus 25% is the increment in his income. So we have to tell the increment in his expenditure. So I will write only the increment. If his income is 100, increased by 25, so it will be increased by 25. So we have 20 plus 25 increment in his income. 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45. It means 4.8 is the increment in his saving. 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 3, that is 48, 4.8. So in increase in income minus increase in expenditure is equal to increase in saving. So I will write the increment in expenditure. You have to subtract them, then it will be equal to 21.2. 21.2 will be the increment in expenditure. So 21.2 on 68 into 100. So 0, it will be cancelled out. If I cut it with 4, then 4 5s and 4 3s, and here we have 17. So we have 530 upon 17. 530, 530 upon 17. 17 3s 51. My answer will be greater than 30. So this one and this one will be eliminated. 17 3s 51 and 17 1s. So this one is my answer. 17 1s 17. 17 3s 51. 51 plus 152 plus 6. We have to check it once again. See what we have here. 4 5s and 4 3s 12. 530 upon 17. 17 3s 51. We have 27 1, 17 1, 31. 3 by 17 is my correct answer. This one is my correct answer. We have to change in it options. This one is my correct answer. So 31, 3 by 17. I will check it once again. Next. This one is my answer. Next. A shopkeeper offers the following 3 schemes. Scheme first, 2 successive discount of 15% and 25%. Buy 5 get 3 free. Buy 4 get 6. Which scheme is the best for the customer? On which scheme the customer will get the maximum discount will be beneficial for him? If I think for scheme first, then what it is, 15% and 25%. So two successive discount can be sold by 15 plus 25 minus this one is the effective discount of these discount upon 100. What I have 40 minus this one is equal to 15 5 ja 75, 15 2 ja 30, 37, 3.75, 3.75. This one will be equal to 37, 36.25%. This one is the discount in scheme first, 36.25. Now we will think about scheme 2. What we have, buy 5 get 3 free. It means you are getting 3 free. See, if you are going to a customer shop, you are buying 5 and he is giving you 3 free. It means is giving you extra 3. So 5 plus 3, he is giving you 8. So he is giving 3 free on 8 into 100. And in percentage, I will tell you that 3 by 8 is equal to 37.5%. This one is my scheme 2. So scheme 3. So this option is not correct. All are not equal. Buy 4 get 6. So if you are buying 4 and getting 6, it means you are getting 2 free on 6 into 100, and 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. It means 33 1 by 3%. So the customer will be beneficial where he will get the maximum discount, and he is getting the maximum discount here 37.5%. So scheme 2 will be my answer. Scheme 2 will be beneficial for the customer. This scheme will be beneficial for the customer. Now we have last question, that is question number 10. Ashima borrowed 75,000 from a nationalized bank on 26th March 2022 at the rate of 9% per annum simple interest. If she cleared the account on 7th June of the same year, then what amount did she pay? So solve it. So we have 26th of March. This one is the starting date. And the end date is 7th of June. 7th of June. First of all, we will calculate the number of days. We know that simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So 26. So 5 days of March plus 30 days of April, 31 days of May, and 7 days of June. So 7 plus 8, 5. So we have 73 days. 73 days. We know that simple interest is equal to principal. Principal is what? 75,000. Principal into rate is 9% into time is 73. See, in this formula, we feed time in years. If you want to convert your number of days in year, then what you will do? You will divide them by 365, because in a year the days are 365, as this is a normal year, or the date is after 26th into 100. So this one you will solve, and you know that 73 5 ja is 365. 2020 will be cancelled out. 5 150, and 150 into 9 is equal to 15 9 ja 130, 1350. So this one is my interest. See, option number C is giving you the interest. So please do not take it. Read the question carefully. He is asking for the amount, and amount in simple interest. Amount in simple interest is equal to principal plus simple interest. The principal was 75,000. 75,000 plus, and the interest is 1350 is equal to 76350 is my correct answer. 76350 is my correct answer. That is option number B. So this one is the end of our session number 09. So we will meet you tomorrow at the same time. Students are giving answers. Anamika has given the correct answer. So if anyone want to ask anything, he can ask. We are concluding. Animesh, अच्छे question. Nikhil, best sessions for me. Okay, great, great, great. So this one was the end of session number 9. We will meet you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Till that, good night. Bye bye.